Hi guys, so guys, please play with me in this color block bridge. It is so much fun. There's so many people helping each other in this game. Guys, please help this game get 2K active, cause it got down into 918. So guys, please play this game, and yeah, this is so much fun. So many people helping you guys. And oh yeah, if somebody is bullying you with this hammer, wait guys, I'm just gonna, if somebody's gonna bully you with this hammer, okay, this is a dual combo. My friend is currently dueling somebody. Because if somebody shoot you with this hammer, you guys can just, just get your guys some admin. So fortunately that's the admin right there. Yeah, I already get. It's worth 1 million. I only grind that. And yeah, that's my friend with this band hammer right now. Okay, that's just so annoying. So guys, please play with other people here. It's so much fun, guys. And if they kept killing you, don't get annoyed. See, they're helping each other. See, they can also ride each other. That's why. Wait, I could even ride and take a free win by myself. And yep, those two are brothers, I think. Or what's a signal? You guys please play with me. You guys can just add me. I will tell my name. So yeah, you guys, you guys can add me, and I will tell my name right now. So yeah, this is my name right now, guys. Yeah, that's my name. You guys just can add me. Yeah, you guys can just add me, and we can also duel. We can get this hammer and the jetpack over there. Yeah, that's the jetpack. We can just, duo, guys. We can just 1v1. This game is also can be 1v1. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And play this game right now if you guys have Roblox. Like absolutely right now. Okay, he quit. Bro, that's messed up.